The story goes that in a kingdom in the land of Berbari, which was always safe from the gossip of entertainment news.
The king had a son named Sultan Abdul Muluk, who was extremely powerful. The king and queen had arranged marriages with royal relatives 6 times, but Abdul Muluk was travel outside the kingdom to find his soulmate.
My lady, we are no longer young. We need to quickly pass the throne to our son.
Yes, I understand. We must immediately arrange a marriage for Abdul Muluk with the future queen of this country.
Yes, the seventh match must be successful.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I think we shall let the young prince find his old work.
The prince can do that. He's old.
It's not funny, sister. The leader of the Berberi kingdom, Lapok, is offering Basukitonyo.
Yes, brother. The prince isn't like me. I'm still young.
Hey, Kadam, what are you doing? It's embarrassing to speak like that is form of the king and queen.
What do you want? We right?
Enough, guards.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take these Kadams away.
On the other hand, Abdul Muluk is recounting his words about his seven marriage, married to Anatole Palace relative, Sultan Arbi, whom considers like his own uncle.
Uncle, what should I do? I am capable of spreading my father's throne in this barbaric kingdom. However, I still don't want to be married to a royal relative.
Uncle, there's nothing I can do. You please, His Majesty is too difficult to be disobey his wishes.
So, what should I do, Uncle?
If you want to find your soulmate, be generous. Your soulmate across the country.
On a quiet night, while the entire Berberi kingdom was fast asleep, Abdul Muluk and Sultan Arbi were devising a strategy to get Abdul Muluk out of the kingdom. After going through step by step, Abdul Muluk finally managed to leave the kingdom.
Guards.
Yes, King.
Call Abdul Muluk. I want to speak with him.
Yes.
Dear sir, speak to our son gently. I sincerely hope this 7 matchmaking doesn't fail like the previous one.
Yes, Your Majesty. I can wait to hold my grandchild.
Your Majesty, your prince is gone, and some of his clothes are missing.
What? Dear sir, where is our son? Hurry and find him.
Edina, bodyguards, mobilize of members of the kingdom for Abdul Muluk.
Yes, sir.
What are the fuss about? I have come for you, King.
Okay, what do you think about my son, the Prince of Berbari?
Utter dark, King.
What do you mean by astrologer? So, what about my son the astrologer? Where is he? Where is he going? How is he? Who told him to leave? And why didn't he have the heart to ask me for permission first?
Quickly, tell me what you see.
The prince needs a mountain exploring the valley of kings. He traveled to a foreign land.
Where? Why?
My lady, it's impossible for our son to find a partner who isn't our equal. He must be a royal relative.
Your Majesty, my job is done.
Thank you, astrologer.
My Majesty, my Lord, my Queen.
What's wrong, guard? Is someone attacking our kingdom?
No, my Lord, there's a beautiful woman in front of the palace. She is with the prince.
My son? My son, please return me.
Peace be upon you.
My son, my soulmate, where have you been, my dear? Why did you leave the kingdom?
Sorry, father, mother, I wandered around looking for this future empress.
Abdul Muluk, my son, hail to the kingdom of barbaric. In all the years we've been together, you've never done something like this. Makes the contents of the kingdom afraid.
Have you found the future empress of this country? Where did you find her, my son?
I traveled to the Hindi kingdom, my mother, when I was hungry. This woman appeared before me and gave me food.
Alright, I'd like to meet her.
Lady, help!
Yes, my prince.
Peace be upon you, king and queen.
Peace be upon you, Siti Ropea.
Are you from the royal family?
I'm not the royal family.
Abdul Muluk, why isn't he from our castle?
Sorry, mother, I didn't know that the future queen had to be from the royal family.
This is your fault, my son. You wandered off without speaking to us. You cannot marry a woman who is not a royal family member.
Sorry, king. I know Siti Ropea because she is my niece.
Uncle,
Yes, Siti, this is your uncle.
I miss you, my uncle.
I'm touched.
Me too.
Yes, king, that means the prince can marry Siti Ropia because she turns out to be a relative of Sultan Arbi.
Is it true, father?
Of course, my son.
I am pleased to hear this. Finally, I see Abdul Muluk standing at the altar.
Father, mother, thank you for blessing me with Siti Ropea.